My name's Shaun. I work for Charlwood Borough Council, but I'm also looking at getting into property investment, and there's a lot of other areas that I am currently looking at. Okay, the reason I attended this course is because after the free training, or during the free training, I noticed there was a lot of information there that I wasn't up to date with, didn't have a full understanding of, and I decided if I wanted to progress forward, developing myself, but also developing businesses and the area that I actually work in, coming on this course would be of a massive benefit to me. Doubts I had coming onto this course were during the free training, and I did wonder if I already had the knowledge that would be getting tested and whatnot, because I have a bit of knowledge anyway. But during the free course I realised that I didn't know as much as I thought I knew, and during this course I've learned a lot. Okay, the main thing I am going to take away from this course is the use of social media. I don't use it enough. People that know me know that social media isn't a big thing with me. But I've learned on this course that it is a massive tool to promoting whatever you are doing in life. What this course has changes it's led me to start putting in place is more planning, more research, get more background knowledge, understand what I'm going into, do my maths to see that it all calculates, take that extra little bit of risk as well, because I believe you need to take a little bit of risk to get a little bit back. Gemma is an instructor. She's very good at what she does. The main reason she's very good at what she does is because she knows what she's talking about. She isn't blagging a case, she actually knows what she's talking about. The main difference about this training is the first part of the training, the mindset, getting you to think a certain way and not actually forcing it down your throat, getting you to assess yourself and basically work it out for yourself. You literally work out for yourself where you have not been thinking sort of in the right direction, and it will just make you achieve better, just slowing down, having a think before you do things. The investment I've made in this course I believe is going to save me a lot of man hours on stuff that I would be doing to set a business up or to progress a business that I've already got. And saving man hours is going to save me money. I would say to anybody thinking about attending this training, get yourself on the one-day free training, assess it for yourself, and go there with an open mind. And I pretty much guarantee you will think about coming on this course. If not, come on this course.